Pronouns. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Pronouns are helpful because we won't have to keep repeating the same nouns again and again. There are many types of pronouns, but today we're focusing on subject pronouns. So let's take a look at all the pronouns that can replace the subject in a sentence. Subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Notice that I, you, he, she, and it are used to replace singular nouns, while we and they are used to replace plural nouns. Try and see if you can make the following sentences better with me. Tom fell off his bike. Tom hurt his knees. We repeated Tom 2 times in these sentences. Which pronoun can replace Tom in the second sentence? If you said he, great job. Tom fell off his bike. He hurt his knees. Lisa loves the beach. Lisa likes to play on the sand. Since Lisa is a girl, I'll use the pronoun she. So I will say Lisa loves the beach. She likes to play on the sand. The jar was closed tightly. The jar wouldn't open. Since the jar is an object, I'm going to use the pronoun it. So I will say the jar was closed tightly. It wouldn't open. The kitten is so small. The kitten is hiding behind its mama. Since the kitten is an animal, I can also use the pronoun it. So I will say the kitten is so small, it is hiding behind its mama. My sister and I baked cupcakes. My sister and I used all the frosting. Since I am included in this sentence, I will use the pronoun we. So my sister and I baked cupcakes. We used all the frosting. The girls are swimming in the pool. The girls are having so much fun. I'm talking about more than one person, so I get to use the pronoun they. The girls are swimming in the pool. They are having so much fun. I don't use we because I'm not included in this sentence. Finally, don't forget the pronouns I and you. Let's look at this conversation between Lucy and her friend Lily. In this short scene, Lucy is saying, "Hi, Lucy is going to the zoo. Would Lily like to come?" And Lily replies and says, "Yes, Lily would love to come." This doesn't sound right. In this scene, Lucy says, "Hi, I'm going to the zoo. Would you like to come?" And Lily replies and says, "Yes, I would love to come." That sounds much better. So I don't use my name when I'm talking about myself or your name when I'm talking to you. Instead, I use the pronouns I and you. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.